Hi, hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn new lesson that is called number system. Class 7, lesson number 2. Topics going to be covered in this lesson are what is number system, types of number system, bits and bytes, binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system, conversion from decimal to binary system, and conversion from binary to decimal number system. It is very little bit small lesson. Let us have a look. Introduction. When we type any letter or word, the computer translates them into numbers. Since computer can understand only numbers, a computer can understand only a few symbols called digits, and these symbols describe different values depending on the position they hold in the computer. The value of any digit in a number can be determined by the digit, its position in the number, the base of the number system. That means computer is not a human. First of all, it cannot understand any English or Hindi, Kashmiri or Telugu or any other languages. So it will understand only numbers like ones and zeros. So those are called, and it will understand only few symbols, those are called digits. So depending, it will understand the numbers in determined by the following, like the digits, its position and the number, the base of the number system. That means it will understand by the digits and position of the number of the position, and last one is base of the number system. Let us see what is number system. A number system is a way to represent a number in different form. Every value that you are saving or getting information from computer memory has defined number system. That means number system is a way to represent the number in different form, to represent the numbers in different form. That is called number system. So computer architecture supports following number system. Computer will understand the following number system. First one is binary number system, second one is decimal number system, third one is octal number system, and fourth one is hexadecimal number system. What are these number system? Let us have a look. Types of number systems are, first one is binary number system. It is a number system with base value 2, means it has only 2 digits. It represents the data. The digits are 0 and 1. Examples, it will like this. It will written like this, in this format: 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0. Like in this way it will represent. Next one is decimal number system. It is a number system with the base value 10. It has digits to represent the data. That means it will be having the 10 digits. It will to represent the data. The digits are from 0 to 9. From 0 to 9 it will represent. Like example, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to 9 numbers it will represent. Next one is octal number system. It is a number system with the base value 8. It has digits to represent the data. That means only 8 digits, up to 8 digits it will represent the data. That means from 0 to 7, up to 0 to 7 numbers, up to 7 values only it will represent. Next one is hexadecimal. Hexadecimal means it is a number system with the base value 16. It has 16 digits to represent the data. The digits are 0 to 15. From 0, starting from 0 to up to 15 it will support, and it will support the alphabetics also, like A B C D E F up to F. Next one is bits and bytes. See here, bits and bytes means, see what are these bits and bytes. Suppose if you went to a shop, you are purchasing some items like chawal or rice, anything like pulses, like dals, anything you are purchasing, then it will be measured in kgs, grams, and etc. In that way, if you are purchasing oil packet, then they will measure in 1 liters. In like that, computer memory also will be stored in bits and bytes format. We cannot store the data in kgs, 1 kg data or 2 kg data. No, it will store the data. Suppose a song is there, it will store in some kbs or mbs. In that way the data will be stored in bits and bytes format. So let us have a look here. One digit, suppose one digit is equal to 1 bit. 1 bit, so 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, byte. 8 bits of data is equal to 1 byte. Next one is equal to 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kb. 1 kb means kilobyte, that means 2 power 10. Next one is equal to 1024 kb is equal to 1 megabyte, 1 mb. 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB. That means if 1 GB data means how much? 1024 megabytes MB. 1024 MB data if you use, that is equal to 1 GB data. 1024 GB is equal to 1 TB, terabytes. This is called bits and bytes. 4 bits will form a nibble. Next one is binary number system. Let us have a look what is meant by binary number system. Characteristics. A positional number system, it is a positional number system. It will be having only two symbols or two digits only, like zeros and ones. Hence its base is 2. So the maximum value of single digit is only 1. Each position of a digit represents a specific power of base 2 used in the computers. Now example, if you observe here 10110, that means what is this value? Let us have a look. 1 into 2, because its highest value is only 2 only, 0 and 1 only, so up to 2 only. See, 1 into 2 power of 4. Next 0. Why? Because 0, first value is 1, second value is 0. 0 into 2, next one is 1 into 2, next one is 1 into 2, because and last value is 0 into 2. Now if you see the power, see, first value 1 into 2, 2 power 4, and next value 0 into 2, 2 power 3, like that. From there 2, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0, up to 0 it will accept. Now first one 1 into 2, 2, 2 power 4, count it, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s 16. Now first one is 16 and next one is 2 power 3, 0 into 2, 0. See here. So what is the base value? Directly it will be a 4. Sorry, 0 will be there. And next one is 1 into 2, 2 power 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s 4. So 16 and 4. And next one is 1 into 2, power is 1. Also 1 2s are 2 and power 2 ones are 2 only. So 16 4 2. And if you count this last one is again 0 into 2. So whatever the value, if you are dividing, multiplying with the 0, it is 0 only. So 16 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. So if you want to get the 22, it is called 0 1 1 1 0. If you write 22 in the computer, its actual value is 10110. Computer will take the number like 10110 is called 22. Next one is decimal number system. It is a positional number system, has 10 symbols or 10 digits, 0 to 9, hence its base is 10. The maximum value of a single digit is 9. Each position of a digit represents a specific power of base 10. We use this number system in our day-to-day life. For example, if you observe here 1435, now its base power is 10. So 1, first value is 1, 1 into 10, because base value, every value should be multiplied with the 10 only, because base value is 10 no? That's why. Now 4 into 10, 3 into 10 and 5 into 10. Now 10 to the power of 3. So 1 tens are 10 and 10 to the power of 3 times means 1000. Now fourth one is 4 into 10 is equal to 40. So 40 to the power 2 times means 400, because 10 powers, 10 2 times 100, 10 to the power, so 10 into 10 100, so 100 into 4 400. Next one is 10 ones are 10 and 10 threes 30, and last one is 10 to the power of 0, so 10 fives 0 0 will be cutted as we discussed here. 0, if you divide with the 0, 10 zeros how much? 0 only, so the remaining value is 5, and total value will be 1435. So in this way we can see the decimal number system. Suppose 1435 means 1 into 10 power 3, so 4 into 10 power 2, 3 into 10 power 1, and 5 into 10 power 0. This is called decimal number system. Next one is same here, octo number system. That means it is same like this as we discussed just now. It is a positional number system. It has 8 numbers, 8 symbols or digits like from 0 to 7. Hence its base is 8. Maximum number value is single digit is 7, and each position of a digit it will specify the power of base 8. For example, 273. The base will be 8. That means 2 into 8, 7 into 8, and 3 into 8. Now powers we will see. Up to 7 we can get it from 2, because 3 digits, 2, 1, 0. So 8, 8, 64. 64 into 2, 128. Now 8 ones 8, 7 into 8, 56. Now 8 zeros, 0 only. So 3 only it will come. So here value is 187 power of 10. See here 128 plus 56 and 3, that is 187. So this is called octal number system. Next one is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system, it's a positional number system. It will be having up to 16. Highest we need to count the numbers with the 16 only, hence its base is 16. So maximum value of a single digit is up to 15 we can count. So respectively the maximum value of a single digit is 15. Each position represents a specific power of base 16. Suppose if I give 1 AF, for first value it should be, because everything should be multiply with 16. So first one is 1 into 16 power of 2, next one is A into 16, next F into 16. So look at here carefully. So 16 twos, here 1 into 16 square we will write it. Now here A means how much? Look at here, symbols of A, B, C, D, E represents the decimal values like A means 10, B means 11, and C means 12, and D means 13, and E means 14, and F means 15 if you see the third point. And here A means how much? 10 into 16 power 1. Now here F means 15 into 16 power of 0, because every value we need to count with these numbers only, 16 only. So let us see the value. 16 twos how much? 16 into 16, so 256. 256 into 1, 256 ones are 256 only. So here 16 power of 1, so 16 into 10, 160, and 15 power 0 only. Why? Because 16 into 0 will becomes automatically 0. So total value is 431. That means in hexadecimal system, number system is a positional number system. It will be having the symbols or digits, both will be there, and its base is 16, and symbols A, B, C, D, F, G, H A, B, C, D, E, F represent the decimals values 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 respectively. If the alphabetics are coming, then we need to convert into the numbers. It will convert, not we. System will convert into the numbering system. Okay students, that's all for today's class. Meet you in next class. Till then, take care and stay safe.